Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand how the wrap feature in SolidWorks function. Let's start. File, new, part. Part is the default template. Okay, there are the three environment: assembly, load drawing. Part is the default. Okay, I am hitting the OK. This is the SolidWorks user interface, and I am selecting the background plain white and unit system. I am taking millimeter gram second. Okay, I am taking top plane. Sketch. I am making a model, simple model here. This one, this die I am taking 110 mm. This one. Okay, and this and future extrude, I am taking this dimension at a 70 mm. This one. Okay, this is 70 mm. Isometric plain white. Okay, I am edit appearance from here. Scroll button, press the scroll button, and from here appearance, and this I am taking this color. Okay, only demarcation purpose I am using this color. So we will understand how the wrap feature function in SolidWorks. Okay, this model I have made. This is the in future you will see there is a wrap feature here. The wrap feature, this one future. There is a wrap, okay. First this one. In the future there is a wrap feature. I am taking front plane. Okay, a sketch. This one. I'm that wrap, as the name indicates, this is wrapping, wrap the things. Okay, I'm selecting the front plane, and I'm drawing a center line here. Okay, right click, exit. There is a text in the sketch. You will find the text. Write the text. First select the curve line and write the, suppose I am writing CAD knowledge, OWLEDGE knowledge center, CENTERE. This one. So this letter I have written. You can make it bold, italics, and you can middle one, right one, or justify it. In this way you can, as in Excel you can do this thing. I am taking middle one. Okay, this flip direction vertically, or this in this way you can write it. I am taking this one, and this one. This is the thing. Now use font document, use this one. You can increase the width factor, width of the letter you can increase. For example, you increase this one. This is the, you can increase this one, and this is the space between the letters you can increase from here. This is the letter for space we can increase. Use a document font. If you select this one and Century Gothic, you can select point, and suppose I want to select 18 mm. This is increases. Font, I am taking, decrease the size 60. Okay, this one. In this way you can change the things. You can you can increase the width of the letter. You can increase the space between the string, and also size of the, you can increase this one. Okay, and I am hitting the right button. Okay, so now I use first out of the sketch, and this one wrap feature. Wrap feature, I am selecting this one. Sorry, wrap feature. This window comes here. Now there are the three options. One is the Emboss, second is the Deboss, third is the Scribe. There are the three options. And wrap method, this is the analytical method, and this is the spline surface. So I have this option, analytical, and first option is the Emboss. Sketch already selected. Surface, select the surface. this one, that increase the this 4 mm. I am taking 4 mm. If you will see this, if you hit the right button, you can reverse the direction from here. This one, this is on the back side. I am taking this one, 4 mm height, and face selected, sketch selected, and emboss. I am hitting the right button. This one, this is the wrap feature. This one, suppose I this one, color it from here. I can color it, this one, red mark, this one, this way. This is the emboss feature, CAD knowledge center. Okay, suppose I edited this add feature. Suppose I edited, I am taking another option, Deboss. This was same thing, sketch selected, face selected, but this depth I am decreasing. Suppose 1.5 or 2 mm. I take it 2 mm. Okay, this one. This is the depth. This is the Deboss. You will see. You will find depth in this one. This is the Deboss feature. This one. Okay. If again I am editing it, this one. And third option is the Scribe. Scribe, sketch selected, face selected. Scribe means the letter, there will be splitting of the sketches. No emboss, no deboss. Only the splitting the surface. This one. Reading the this one. There is no emboss or no deboss. Simply splitting the surface. And in this way we can make the wrap feature to make suitable letters on the surfaces, round surfaces. In this way wrap feature function. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. Please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.